It is beneficial to focus on the success of the community as a whole. How is it beneficial? We would just look at a scenario where some part of the community is successful and the rest is not. And also, we would look at a scenario where the majority part of the community is not successful and only a little part or the little section of the community is successful. So when we compare the two, we come to know that the neglected section of the society has far worse implications than the profitable gains of the successful ones in comparison. So if we compare the two, on one hand, we have the people in the society who were successful. What are the implications of that? For example, there is a society or a community in which there are 10% of people getting very good education. There are 30% of people who are making good businesses, and there are 50% of people who are getting good education, and there are 70% of people who are knowing a lot about religion and getting good religious education. So what about the rest of the percent? So these will be showing good results and good implications to the society, definitely, and it has to be appreciated. But the gain and the benefit of this type of a community would be much less than the worst implications which are done by the neglected section of the society. Because the neglected section of the society is going to have implications which are going to spread more. As they say, that evil spreads more than the good. So very good, this part of the society is doing very well and they are all successful and they are showing their success and everybody is happy there. But the implications that they have in the community or the society are much less than the implications that the neglected section of the society has because of their failures. For example, people who are failing, even if they are 30% in a society, they would be going towards some sort of drug abuse, unemployment, unhappiness, not satisfied, frustrated, upset due to reasons because of their failures. Now, this type of a disruption in the society is going to bring much more harm than the happiness and the harmony of the people who are successful. So when we look at the results of success and failure, success is of course appreciated, but it weighs less than the worst things that are happening due to the failure of people. The failure overcomes the success of the people. Therefore, it is important to look at the failure aspect of the community, how to make it better and how to save it from being neglected and bringing implications which are worst and evil for the community.